Spanning 85,000 square feet, this private estate redefines the very limits of global wealth and seclusion.
The primary master suite offers unparalleled tranquility, blending soft limestone textures with the ultimate in luxury comfort. Indulge in a spa-like experience within this ensuite bathroom, featuring a massive marble tub and golden accents. Every hallway must feel like a gallery, featuring flawless limestone walls and exquisite champagne gold detailing throughout. This master show kitchen is a culinary masterpiece, showcasing professional-grade appliances set against brilliant Calicotta marble surface. Host the world's elite in this formal dining space, designed for legendary evenings and high-stakes billionaire conversations. Marvel at the sculptural floating marble staircase, a true engineering feat connecting the levels of this estate. This secondary master suite maintains an elite standard, providing a perfect retreat for your most distinguished guests. Experience extreme high-stakes thrills inside your very own private Monte Carlo-style indoor estate casino. Relax forever in the panoramic Horizon Lounge, your ultimate private sanctuary of magnificent limestone and gold. Your elite guests will experience unmatched comfort inside this spectacularly designed, creamy limestone VIP suite. Experience pure sonic perfection inside this acoustically treated audiophile room, crafted with hyper-realistic acoustic paneling. Entertain at the highest level in this grand piano lounge, surrounded by flawless Calicotta marble flooring. Even the guest bathrooms exude absolute stealth luxury, featuring seamless limestone walls and striking golden hardware. Gather in the spectacular family lounge, an ultra-private sanctuary wrapped in magnificent creamy white limestone. Train like an elite billionaire inside this magnificent home gym, equipped with flawless custom golden machinery. Recover in absolute serenity inside this majestic steam room, completely encased in magnificent warm limestone. Ride this spectacular transparent glass elevator, rising effortlessly through the heart of this mind-blowing stealth fortress. Start your morning at this stunning bespoke espresso bar, carved entirely from pristine Calicotta marble. Step inside this massive climate-controlled botanical zen garden, seamlessly merging hyper-realistic nature with absolute interior stealth. Relax by the majestic indoor fire lounge, where warm golden light dances across magnificent limestone architecture. Descend into the massive subterranean lounge, a profoundly secretive retreat designed for the absolute elite lifestyle. Challenge your elite guests inside this striking billiards hall, featuring custom gold-trimmed tables and flawless marble floors. Experience ultimate rejuvenation in the Moroccan-inspired hammam, where golden light reflects off pristine Calicotta marble surfaces. Glide across this stunning indoor glass walkway, hovering over a serene koi pond within your private estate. Drive into absolute luxury through the interior car gallery, featuring flawless white limestone and spectacular golden lighting. Display your priceless collection inside this high-tech four-car garage, showcasing polished marble floors and champagne gold trim. Dive into absolute luxury in the enclosed indoor pool lounge, featuring breathtaking golden accents and heated marble decks. Even the family wing is designed for the elite, blending hyper-realistic limestone with incredible custom golden accent. Our second guest suite maintains the absolute peak of luxury, featuring breathtaking champagne gold and limestone. Experience the ultimate master walk-in closet, a massive limestone sanctuary for your world-class haute couture collection. The powder room is a masterpiece of stealth design, featuring magnificent limestone and brilliant champagne gold accents. This stunning secondary guest bathroom showcases flawless Calicotta marble and spectacular, high-energy champagne gold detailing throughout. This reading lounge is a quiet masterclass in luxury, featuring soft limestone textures and majestic golden light. Efficiency meets high-end design in the butler's pantry, a secretive space crafted for the ultimate estate service. Retreat to this private sitting lounge, where 3500K light creates a serene atmosphere of absolute billionaire power. This professional service kitchen extension provides incredible scale, featuring flawless marble and high-tech champagne gold systems. Even the mudroom is an architectural triumph, showcasing magnificent creamy limestone and spectacular stealth luxury throughout. Even the staff quarters are a masterclass in luxury, featuring magnificent limestone walls and spectacular champagne gold hardware. Experience absolute tranquility in this private massage suite, where golden light dances across magnificent, hyper-realistic limestone architecture. Start your billionaire mornings in this spectacular breakfast nook, featuring breathtaking champagne gold and pristine Calicotta marble. Your VIP guests will be stunned by this ensuite bathroom, a masterpiece of stealth design and golden opulence. Bask in the warm 3500K glow of the skylit terrace lounge, the ultimate space for elite indoor relaxation. Marvel at the seamless glass transitions, where technology and limestone meet to create a unified billionaire living experience. Breathe in the tranquility of your indoor landscaped garden, a hyper-realistic oasis of limestone and lush greenery. Discover the massive multi-level wine and cigar vault, perfectly climate-controlled behind thick, opaque smart glass. This luxury laundry room elevates an everyday necessity into an absolute masterclass of high-tech estate design. Even our utility spaces exude power, showcasing flawless organization behind spectacular creamy white and champagne gold finishes. Find your inner peace in this serene meditation room, featuring warm limestone and breathtaking champagne. The service corridor defines architectural perfection, ensuring seamless estate operations within an absolute limestone and gold framework. Even the secondary staircase is a sculptural triumph, featuring spectacular floating marble and breathtaking champagne gold details.
Oversee your global empire from this high-tech security hub, featuring flawless limestone walls and golden monitors.
This ultra-private service entry ensures absolute stealth, showcasing magnificent limestone finishes and spectacular champagne gold hardware. The pantry storage room defines architectural perfection, featuring custom champagne gold racks and flawless Calicotta marble shelving.
Marvel at the spectacular glass wine vault, where thousands of vintages glow under warm 3500K cinematic lighting.
Relax in the casual media lounge, a masterpiece of stealth luxury with magnificent limestone and golden accents. This indoor dining extension offers incredible scale, showcasing breathtaking champagne gold fixtures and flawless white marble flooring. Find absolute peace in the relaxation pavilion, where warm golden light reflects off magnificent limestone and gold. The poolside lounge deck is a sculptural triumph, featuring spectacular champagne gold furniture and breathtaking limestone walls. This final cinematic pullback reveals the breathtaking scale of this absolute masterpiece of billionaire stealth luxury.